Spacer TriSeal is a flexible silicon foam spacer designed to satisfy the toughest commercial glazing demands, including silicon structural glazing. TriSeal starts off as a T-spacer shape before having a PIB seal applied into the channels either side to allow it to be compatible with all secondary sealants. TriSeal can be purchased with the PIB pre-applied for manual application, or as T-spacer for use with fully automated IG manufacturing lines, which apply the PIB during robotic spacer application to create TriSeal. TriSeal is specifically designed for commercial projects and comes with all the features you expect from a market-leading spacer bar. Movement naturally occurs in sealed units due to heating, cooling, and wind pressure. If PIB is not contained, this pumping action can over time cause the PIB to creep into the unit. As the PIB bead plays an important role in the durability of a unit, any movement could cause a breakdown of the edge seal and premature unit failure. TriSeal retains the PIB in the channels on the side of the bar, between the acrylic adhesive and secondary sealant. This maintains the integrity of the edge seal for reliable and durable unit performance. TriSeal has been thoroughly tested over more than a decade in the field and meets quality standards for durability worldwide. Due to its flexible foam makeup, some have doubted the structural capability of TriSeal. However, when incorporated in a unit, TriSeal's flexibility becomes its greatest strength. When stresses are placed on a unit from heating, cooling, or wind pressure, a rigid box spacer turns into a fulcrum for the glass, amplifying the movement and increasing edge seal stress, which in turn can lead to seal failures or even fractures in the glass. TriSeal allows for expansion and contraction by flexing with the glass, reducing the edge pressure. It has a thermoset memory and excellent compression set resistance, which means the spacer will always return to its original shape once the pressure has been removed. This structural integrity is demonstrated in a structural loading performance test, in which Spacer TriSeal achieves remarkable results. Under positive or windward pressure, the TriSeal unit reached 120 pounds per square foot. This was the limit of the test equipment. However, it was able to go further with negative pressure to 155 pounds per square foot, equivalent to a wind speed of 246 miles per hour. This test also was limited by the capacity of the equipment, demonstrating that even under hurricane force winds, the TriSeal unit never failed. In another test, two 6mm float glass panels were used to make a giant 6.3 meter by 3.3 meter unit, weighing almost 312 kilograms. The unit was bonded together with just the TriSeal acrylic structural adhesive seal. No secondary sealant was applied. The giant unit was then hoisted into the air using a vacuum lifter to one side and held there for 20 minutes. Amazingly, there was no measurable movement, not even a millimeter. Spacer was one of the first warm edge technologies on the market. Its superior foam insulation ensures that it contributes significantly to energy saving. TriSeal has been certified by the Passive House Institute to exceed the required minimum levels of specific edge resistance for Arctic climates and every climate zone lower. This contributes to substantially reduced perimeter condensation compared to traditional metal spacer bars. Spacer has often been specified for hospitals and medical facilities, since its warm edge properties and reduced condensation will generally facilitate relative humidity levels in the preferred range between 30 and 55%. Bacteria and viruses thrive in extremes of high or low humidity, among other health issues. TriSeal also brings benefits to manufacturers. Consider that the typical IGU manufacturing process with rigid box spacer requires 9 steps to create a finished unit. Due to most of these processes being manual, without a high level of investment, a rigid spacer line will normally need 6 operators. With its non-metal, flexible, all-foam construction, creating glazing units with Spacer TriSeal is simpler, faster, and more streamlined, requiring just 4 steps, and needs just 3 operators to produce a greater quantity of units. Removing processes doesn't just save manufacturers time, it enhances productivity, reduces cost, reduces the potential for human error, enhances consistency, and helps manufacturers to better cope with the challenges of the skills and labor shortages. We offer production with proven equipment choices selected from several leading manufacturers. Whatever your production levels and budget, we'll have a solution to suit. For over 30 years, from Alaska to Abu Dhabi, historic landmarks to groundbreaking new builds, Super Spacer has provided outstanding durability and structural performance even in the harshest conditions. When decision makers want quality they can trust, it's Super Spacer they choose. Our team of technical experts have a wealth of knowledge to give your business the edge, whether it's selecting the best product for a specific application, supporting you to introduce a new product to your customers, or helping you to meet your operational goals. There's a member of the EdgeTech team you can rely on. At EdgeTech, our vision is to set ourselves apart through innovation and excellence. For over 30 years, we've provided customers throughout the world with reliable and market-leading insulating glass products, and our team of technical experts will never stop finding ways to create better customer outcomes. Choose EdgeTech for performance you can count on, and put your business in safe hands.